Hello everyone, my name is Laura and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. Today I'm going to be making orange patchouli. Those are the colors there. It's going to be an orange, a green, and a pretty gold top. The orange patchouli smells really, really good. It has the typical patchouli smell, but then it has this wonderful, juicy, citrusy scent to it as well. Just adding the lye water to the oils here. And then I'm going to blend it up. If you like patchouli, but you want something a little different, this is a really good fragrance for that. I'm just going to mix it in first a little bit and then run the stick blender and get everything blended together really well here. I'm going to do two different colors. I'm going to do the orange and the green, and I'm going to pour them opposite each other. You'll see when I put it in the mold. It's going to be a little bit different swirl. It's going to end up giving like vertical bars instead of horizontal. I'm going to get it approximately even. It doesn't have to be exact here. And this is the green. It's a very vibrant green, but I don't feel like it's too out there. It's still a very pretty green without being overpowering. And this is the orange. I'm not doing a neon orange this time. This is I don't know how to describe it. Closer to like a traditional orange. But it looks really good in the soap. Plus I like these colors together for the fall. I think that it has a very earthy but happy color for the fall. And then that's the green mixed up, and then I'm just going to mix in the orange. And then once they're even, I could pour in the fragrance oil. So I'm going to pour in about half for each color. And this just smells so good. It's hard to describe. But like I said, if you like patchouli, you'll probably like this a lot. And if you like orange, but you want something maybe like orange but more earthy, this is a really good combination for that. Alright, and then there's the mold I'm going to use. Just like the others, it holds about a pound of soap. I'm going to pour these at the same time so that I end up with like a triangle of color on each side. And of course, they're blocking the view of the camera, but there's not really a way around that, unfortunately. But you can kind of see how it, like I said, there's approximate equal amounts of both sides. It makes it like a triangle shape in the mold. And then I'm going to put the rest of the green in there and kind of even it out on the top a little bit. And I'm just tapping the end of the side of the mold there a little bit to kind of help release any bubbles and to help level out the soap. And then what I'll do is, after tapping out the air bubbles, I'm going to put a chopstick in there and swirl back and forth. And it makes a pretty pattern, but it also will make, again, like I said, when I cut the bars, you'll see there'll be vertical lines through the soap. And then I'm just going to put on the gold. And I'm not doing any particular pattern here. I'm just putting the dots of gold where I feel I want them. And then when I'm done, I'll take a toothpick again and just run the toothpick through the gold to make individual leaves. At least that's how it looks to me. They look kind of like leaves or hearts. And I'm moving so that moving the soap so my hand won't block your view. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing there. And again, I just move the mold around so that you can see what I'm doing without my hand blocking it. And then just like before, tap the air out, and then I'll pick this up and show it to you, and you can see how shiny that gold is on the top. And then here we are about a day later. I'm going to cut them. And I'm just showing you the gold top, how it's kind of metallic and sparkly a little bit. It's really pretty. I'm just lining it up. This one came out of the mold a little bit soft. It probably could have stayed in the mold another day, but I was impatient. I wanted to see what it looked like inside. And then here's how it looks inside. So you can see the stripes are kind of vertical instead of horizontal like some of the other soaps. I just thought it looked kind of unique, and I like the gold top. It's very pretty. And this still smells really good, just like when I first made it. I really like this fragrance. And there's the gold top. And then these are the end pieces. Like the other ones, I'll be cutting these up. And if you like this soap, I'll make it available in my shop on November 1st. I'll put the link below. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.